I'm going to teach you how to change the font for an entire Google Slides presentation. This is a really useful skill to have, whether you want to give your deck a fresh, unified look, or you need to make sure your slides match your brand style guide. A consistent font not only looks more professional, but also makes your content easier to read. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Slides, open your browser, type in slides.google.com, and hit Enter. This will bring you straight to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you use the account that has access to the file you want to edit. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, you can either start fresh by clicking on a blank presentation or browse through the template gallery if you'd like a pre-designed theme. Templates can give you a head start with matching fonts and colors, but don't worry, you can still override them. If you're working with an existing presentation, simply click on it to open it up. Now here's the key part. To change the font across your entire presentation, you need to use the Slide Master. At the top menu, click on Slide, then choose Edit Theme or Edit Master, depending on your version. This view lets you control global settings for every slide. On the left-hand side, you'll see multiple layouts, but at the very top is the master slide itself. Think of it as the blueprint. Any changes you make here will cascade down to all the other slides. Click on the text boxes in the master slide, such as the title or body text. Once selected, use the font drop-down menu at the top toolbar to choose a new font. Google Slides has a wide range of fonts, and you can even click More Fonts to expand your options. Pick the style that matches the tone of your presentation, something bold and modern for marketing, or something clean and simple for academic or business use. You can also adjust the font size, color, boldness, or italics here to fine-tune the look. Take a moment to click through the different layout slides in the left panel and update them too if needed, so every type of slide, title slides, section headers, content slides, stays consistent. Once you're happy with the changes, simply click the X at the top right to exit the master view. Now, when you flip through your presentation, you'll notice that the font has been updated across every slide automatically, saving you the hassle of changing them one by one. And that's it. You've successfully updated the font for your entire Google Slides presentation. This quick trick can make your slides look polished, professional, and cohesive with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips.